Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
I have always said this, that Asante Kotoko supporters are the best, and then they are the reason why, we are always having good performance here. If you could remember, when we came back from Nigeria, I made an interview that we are calling upon them because I really know Asante Kotoko is not just a club, but it's a family. So we all have to come together if we want to progress, as a big club. So it's massive. We are aware of that, and I told the guys that they were really going to come. We can't disappoint all these 42,000, and then let me say millions of people around the world, who are supporting Kotoko. So they are a massive part of us, and then they are the number 12, which always encourage us to do well and then to win for them. So we are glad the day has been good for us, and then everybody is happy. It is just simple. This is a big club. This is Asante Kotoko. Players come and go, coaches come and go. If you are there, you have to always do your best. For me, I tell the new guys that you are here. Some came and have done their job and they are no more. You are here today. When you play and you play good, you get exposure and then you get good opportunities. So for me, it's just simple. No one needs to encourage you. No one needs to give you a motivation when you play for Kotoko. Because when you play every game, the expectation is always high. So when you want to become a big player, if you have the chance to play for Kotoko, you have to be privileged and then do your best. So it's just a simple message to them. Just give out your best, and then your career will change. This is what we've always wanted. We got experience of last season. It was something special. So for us, to qualify to the next one is really excited for us. We are really happy that we are going to the next one because it would have been a big blow, if we couldn't qualify because the expectations were really high. And then looking at these fans, you don't win for them. You as a footballer, it shows your job, hasn't been done. So we are glad we have moved on to the next one, and then we are going to work very hard, and then we'll try and progress to the group stage. All I can tell them that we, the players, are ready to give our 200% best. But we want to tell the fans that at least they should limit their expectation a little bit for us, because you could see this is a new team. Players are trying to get, here together, and then it's not bad. You could see that there is going to be more improvement in this. So we are telling them that each and every day we are going to give our 200% best, but they should limit their expectation. They should keep on supporting us, and then we will always do our best for them. Always believe. In life, you always have to believe. We are not looking at a big club or not. And this is the Champions League. No matter what you do, you are not going to face a small club. So we are expecting that. We know it's going to be tough. So we are mentally strong and mentally ready for every task that comes ahead. But we believe, no matter what happens, we always believe, because that is what we are now.